does a full up sound like?
Move in, move in, move in.
What does a prep to prep TikTok sound like?
What?
What does a front flip like in a pyramid sound like?
Whoosh,
Well, yes.
whoosh.
What does a switch up sound like?
Shaboop. Shaboop.
What does a back handspring up sound like?
6, 7. Like that, like sort of like that. 6, 7.
What does a triple toe touch sound like? So I'm gonna count for you, and you're gonna make the sound of what a
Yes.
triple toe. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3,
Boo.
5.
Boo. Boo.
Yes.
That's at least how mine sound like.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3,
Boo.
5.
Boo. Boo.